Hello kids, let's learn the color. This is orange color. This is green color. This is pink color. This is sky blue color. This is chocolate color. This is blue color. This is yellow color. And this is white color. And this is red color. This is parrot green color. And this is purple color. Now we draw the shapes. This is hexagon. Now I draw the hexagon. Now triangle. Now I draw the triangle. This is rhombus. This is rhombus. And this is star. I draw the star. This is star. And this is oval. And this is heart. Now I put the color. This is sky color, sky blue. This is blue color. This is pink color. This is parrot green color. This is red color. And this is orange color. What we learn? This is sky blue color. This is blue color. This is pink color. This is green color. This is red color. And this is orange color. This is hexagon. This is triangle. This is rhombus. This is star. This is oval. And this is heart. If you like my video, please subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.